Hey everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jammin' with Yarn. I'd like to welcome you to day 8 of my Advent calendar. I hope you guys had a wonderful day today, and welcome all new and all my original lovely subscribers. And if you are new, please subscribe. If you like, please like. I definitely like the comments. I try to get back to you as soon as I can, as soon as I see it. So please do leave me a comment. Now, I actually feel like I've been the Scrooge, or maybe not even the Scrooge, maybe the Grinch of Christmas, doing this Advent calendar, especially the one that I purchased from Christy at T Doddles, and I don't want to be like that. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you what we had. I think I ran over it yesterday. I wish I would have brought my glasses. Today is day 8, which would be Stitch It, which would be the little embroidery. Okay, so let's just get down to it. I don't like embroidery. Okay, so maybe I'm just a Scrooge at Christmas right now because I just don't like it. I'm not enjoying myself. So far, I have not enjoyed myself. I started it, and I don't like it. I don't want to sew. If I still have a cross stitch that I need to finish. She doesn't know that unless she watched my videos. And if I want to sew, I can go hem up my pants and things like that. I don't want to sew. So I like the ring. I like this. This is nice. I hope that we don't need this for another project because I'm pretty much through with this. And I'm through with the journal too. I'm not going to go around the house looking for stuff to put into the journal. So all that is just dead right now. So what I decided to do, because I want to keep it up, okay, is that I decided, well, the gift that she said, here, thank you for supporting my small business. And I was going to save it, but you know what? I need a pick-me-up. So I want to see what this is. And I hope you guys want to see too. Stay tuned. Let's get it done now. Okay, I'll let you see first. What is it? I'm still not looking. I know it, and I know it's some type of bag because it's fabric. Okay. Oh, it's a nice sized bag. Okay. That's nice, and it's blue, my colors. Okay. I'm happy to get something I like. I really am. Thank you. Oh, and it's soft, you guys, and it has pockets in it. Okay, I really do like this. Okay, so I was starting to feel like the Scrooge of Christmas or the Grinch of Christmas. It's a pocket. Isn't that nice? That redeemed my little soul. And so I'll wait until they finish day 9. Oh, give it some flair. Let me go back to that. So I was trying to stitch it up. I just got bored with it. So on day 9, it was give it some flair, which was here. And then there was these little things that you probably would put around it, Not feeling that either. And some glue, a little small glue. I like this little small glue. I've never seen them that small. So I'm through with the embroidery. I'm through with the junk journal. I'm finished with that. So we'll see what's coming up next. But I do like the bag, okay? I really do like the bag, I have to say. I do like the bag. And I'm very happy with this bag. It's nice and big and roomy. And it's blue. I really do like it. Thank you, especially for giving me the blue one. I don't know if everyone has the same. So then, another thing that, before we get to the sock, I was telling you guys how I got this, Oh, I got this Two Blind Brothers box, and I was going to send it back because I received it just like this. You know, so I went to Staples to print out the label, and I was going to send it back. Then once I got one, when I was in the car and I was there, it was like, oh, put in the order number. Well, I don't have an order number, okay? There's no order number on here, and it was one of those things off of Instagram. So I called them, and of course it was saying, oh, thanks for calling again. I never called you the first time. So you know what? I decided to heck with it. This has been a bummer year for me, and I'm just going to let it go, let it slide, move on with my life. I'm not going to send it back. We're going to look and see what's in here. This is a mystery box, and there's a whole story behind it. You can go to my Two Blind Brothers. You can go there, and you can read the whole story about what they're doing and why they're doing it. And I thought it was a good cause, and it was a mystery. I'm not doing any more mysteries or anything. So next year, I'm not participating in any kind of mystery, anything. I need to know what I'm buying. Because when I don't, it hurts. I work hard. So, definitely, let's see what's in here. I assume that this is everything I was supposed to get. And a lot of paper, and I didn't bring any glasses. The reveal. Okay. It's supposed to be really, really soft. That's one of the things. I guess I could have, but you know what? I'm just going to keep it. I'm through with all this. No more mystery, anything. I don't have the temperament for it, evidently. So I got a pair of socks, which they are really soft. I have a lot of socks for next year. Oh, aren't they cute? They are soft. Oh my goodness. They are soft. And this box was not expensive at all. It was, I think it was the least expensive one. I think it was like $20. And then oh yeah, these are so soft. Oh, look at that. Little dots on it. Oh, okay, so if you're blind, you can tell, maybe? I don't know. I could be making that up. I do feel something there. It could just be me tripping, okay? But there are little dots on it. I don't know if it's raised enough, but it's really, really nice. And it says 2BB, Two Blind Brothers. So that was in the box. That was worth it, I have to say. For what I spent on it, yeah, to get the pair of socks. And the hat is supposed to be really, really soft. Wow, that's a really big hat. Okay. It's really big. Very floppy. And it has, I guess the grill on it. Is that what they call it? A grill. Okay. It's blue. It's pretty. I like it. This was worth it, you guys. This was worth it. And it was really worth it. I would take my hat off, but that's not. Maybe I'll wear it tomorrow. On tomorrow's video. Very nice. Very nice. I do appreciate it. And I have to call them back and say, well, that's what it was. I do like that. Very nice. So, that made me feel good. This made me feel good. And I got another, before we get to the sock, I got something from, shoot. I knew I should have brought her name. If you guys know this symbol here. Moon. Please don't get me wrong. Mooncraft. You guys know who I'm talking about. Oh man, I'll put her name below. Darn it. I should know it. I buy something from her, seems like every year. And what I purchased from her, I really like. I do not smoke, and I had actually purchased for somebody else, but it's so cute. And the way I've been looking on these videos is somewhat remind me of me, okay? So you guys, it's really nice. Say hello to my little friend. Look how she did the eyes. Look, even got the little, look at that. Ooh. I think I look like this a few days. I may give it to the person that I bought it for, then I may keep it, because sometimes I really feel like this. No joints, no weed, no anything. Sometimes I do just feel like I'm really tired. So this is a happy day. Happy day. Now let's look at our socks. Oh, this is longer than I want. Okay, this is day 8. We're doing red. I'm not going to be surprised, okay, because I know it's going to be red and probably plain. I do look forward to doing this next year, you guys. This is fun. Just opening the box, because, you know, like when you were a kid, you rip stuff out. Oh, these are cute. Feel like a little Santa's helper. Now, those are cute. I have plenty of red socks. I actually wore one pair already at day 1. I wore that. That's nice. Well, thank you guys for spending this little time with me, and I am very happy with everything that I showed you today. I will look forward to day 10 for Christy Cook on the next project, and hopefully that'll be a good one. So far, I've just, yeah. So anyway, you guys take care. Go watch another event calendar or a vlogmas, and let's support each other by watching these videos and leaving a comment. Until tomorrow, have a